Hey, future homeowners. I'm Engineer Abdirahim Mohamed, and let's talk about the number one reason why African dream homes become family TikTok drama: financing. If you don't plan this right, your big project will end up as a WhatsApp group meme. Smash that subscribe button now for more tips and tricks on how to build your dream home in Africa without ending up as a family feud. Let me show you how not to be like Musa from Abuja.
Step 1. The key challenge. The number one mistake: people underestimate cost and overestimate access to loans. Banks in Africa don't dish out construction loans like fast food combos. You need proof of stable income, collateral, and sometimes the blessing of your great-grandfathers. Step 2. 4 main financing paths. Number 1. Personal savings and staggered buildings. Number 2. Commercial banks and mortgage institutions. Number 3. Diaspora financing programs. Number 4. Partnerships and cooperatives. Here are 4 case studies you may consider. Case study 1. Abuja's biggest oops. Musa saved $20,000, handed it to his brother's friend's mechanic cousin to manage the project. Spoiler: the only thing built was a family tension. No receipts, no foundation, just vibes. Managing the project in Nigeria usually means managing to buy a new Lexus. Lesson: if you give cash to relatives, always get contracts. Case study 2. Nairobi's slow and steady winner. James in Kitengela, legend. He built his house like Kenyan tea. Slow and sweet. Year 1 foundation, year 3 walls. Year 5, hey, where's my mortgage? All right, I don't have one. Lesson: phase construction equals peace of mind. Your house isn't jollof rice. It doesn't need to be done in one pot. Case study 3. Lagos mortgage queen, Funky in Lekki, saw Nigeria's 23% mortgage rate and said, "Auntie, I'm not your ATM." So she turned her half-built house into rental flats. Now tenants pay her mortgage while she eats soyo. Genius. No Nigerian hustle. Lesson: if your bank wants to eat your money, let strangers eat your rent. Case study 4. Ghana's diaspora hack. Kojo escaped the middleman. He used diaspora loans, straight pounds into cedis. No drama. Now he got a house in East Legon and uncles begging for small fuel money. Lesson: send money home faster than Ghana and Nigeria argue over jollof rice. Step 3. The Fufu mix financial strategy. Want the secret sauce? Mix your money like Fufu. Savings: buy the land. No land? You just build a very expensive shed. Loan/mortgage for the heavy lifting. Pro tip: if your interest rate is higher than Burna Boy's vocals, run. Side hustle: rent out one room. That's not a house, it's a business empire. And always at 20% cement inflation tax, because in Lagos, cement prices rise faster than gossip. Step 4. The dream scene. Once your financing is sorted, building stops being stress and starts being swag. Imagine your house pays for itself. Your equity grows faster than plantain in Hamilton, and that balcony view tastes sweeter when you are zipping that "I told you so" tea. Smash that button. Why? Because the only thing worse than building slow is not building at all, or letting your cousin turn your dream into his dream car. Subscribe for no filter tips on building your empire. Let's turn Africa into a continent of homeowners, not a family telenovelas. And if you don't, your neighbor will build a butchery farm next to your land. You've been warned.